Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know what the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So right now, it's...
So right now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm here with Boober.
Oh, what go so?
I not just drop on.
Oh.
I'm here with Boober and we're about to feed the snake.
Feed the snake.
Journey with us.
Journey with us.
Okay. Let's go.
There we go.
She has smelled the rat already, so I know that she will strike. And yes, she bite me before. Boober kind of afraid of her. Know
kind of afraid of her. Me fully afraid of her. Blood? Yo. Me G. See rat they down there, so me G.
Pass a stick there. That's why I have that stick there. They broke up. Don't put her in my head because she will strike.
Yeah man, good on. Right now I'm going to gone. Goodbye. Goodbye. You're my glide dog. Watch out. Listen me. Only now go up on Discovery Channel and tell them say yo, them can't video certain things. So please me I beg you to save it and not tell me say yo, me can't video certain things. Because remember, we not hide nothing, you know, everything we do that we have video show, you know. So today we have feed this snake, we not go watch we feed this snake, alright? Because what if people are gonna probably say, oh that's so cruel, that's so... We kill chicken every day.
We eat chicken?
Cow, hog, food eat cow, goat, hog, everything. Well, it's an animal, it's just like this, like how we have to survive, that have to survive, so. No bother with it, please. Please, please. Alright, I'll show you some more now. Thank you. You see, yo, them understanding in the dog.
Oh, they're right there. They're right now. But if our mouth did free up, she'll definitely bite me if I touch her in there. So. Please stand up here now.
Man, look how you think look evil, my youth.
Please stand up here now, watch her. She'll push it down with her throat, you know. That looks so good. That looks so good. That looks so much you was run. That looks so good. Suck it up like pasta. What's it? Who not go see things like them, man? Nowhere. Right here on Jamas TV. On Famous Vlog. So good. Yahoo!
Goodbye. I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Gotta talk to her like. And just like that, you see, Booba, say hi.
Hi.
Clean out the cage and be something. I'm gonna put some water for you.
You're in the farm, you can't touch him now, people, watch out. People, me touch him. When you see me touch him, look, I tell you, so up on the rock you want to go, watch it, as in Niam. Alright, me can't touch him now, because he's gone. Watch it, watch out. I ain't afraid of shit, nigga.
Water change and everything, time for go deal with the iguana now.
So right now, Eve just get feed lizard time now. Shabba's about to go feed the lizard. Me not like none of them people for real. The snake, me afraid of them. The lizard, me afraid of them. The same speed. So, Blue get bait this morning. Blue get everything. Watch out, when get.
Oh, go on. Go on. So Blue get that tree.
You're teaching to kill people cow.
Hey, inside. Come here, look. Come. Let me don't feed them. know you are wrong. You are free by the law. You are free by the law. And everybody knows. Oh. I'm going to go chubby. Kind of everything. It's all buying a iguana. For those who just log on.
Sunlight, you get sunlight, Bobo.
I got though.
You see that, Dante?
Dante, you see this? Okay. That shit is hot.
Oh, the one you in there? Let me see box for this. I touch one.
Try one.
Them bite?
No.
Worm no bite?
No. But try one and me try one. Google it, for protein for you.
My, if they say a lizard worm, why me I gonna eat it?
A protein. Hey, human can eat them.
I mean, I have no worm.
Course meal. Let's see if he's gonna eat it. Them say put back the rest in our fridge. They make can go for a month in our fridge.
Olive?
Yeah.
You want me name that dog? So right now I'm there in the kitchen. Today rain about for all day today, so it's a soup day. But today is not like a regular day, like a regular vlog where I just video everything when I cook. The truth is I forgot the video still, you know. I forgot the video still, but yeah, soup done already. Well, the soup not done, but just leave my potato. Andrew over there editing vlogs and, you know. Yo, my cheese, I don't know, so today is a nice, spectacular day, you know what I mean? Right now, we're about to go Port St. Lucie. Go link up SMB Bullies, shoot a couple videos, you know what I mean? Vlog a couple things, so we're not going to journey with we. Yeah, basically that for right now, so forward. So right now we out here, without fear. Shabas right there, so. Alfred there on this. I'm blue tired out there, so.
Hello people. It's a lovely day outside today.
Alfred, fish bucky pipe, you know.
It's very hot.
What on, blue? What on?
It's time for lunch. What are we eating today?
Where you say you eat the soup and water?
Soup and water?
What that mean you say?
No, I say Alfred, fish pipe.
No, Alfred said something wrong there, so
What are we eating today?
what we are eat today? I don't know what you are eating, I don't eat, I consume food.
Tell you about a Yankee boy, you know.
Slap him in the face.
I'm having gun for him, I can't slap him in the face with gun for him. Next thing you shot me because you say you texted me. Put on the gun and make me fist it up. Yo, we're going to do a boxing match, you know, straight yo. Buy the gloves and can't. Do I gloves and me that's alright now?
Put them on, see
Gloves
them?
them right now.
Yeah, put them on, ready.
You ready? No,
Yeah.
come me have a summer, I can't set up myself.
No matter.
We are playing a boxing match in here. Where AC on, because we can't do it out again. But we put on the gloves and me. We are saying for you too. So me and Oki have a boxing match. We are going to put on the gloves them one day and box the Instagram. We are going 4 rounds. Blow! We are going 4 rounds.
Yeah man.
You with it?
Yeah.
We are going to knock out? Who knock out?
How are me?
We not fight you, nigga.
So what fight
Look
me?
how big man you. You want to make one of your dog. You OD. Man, you OD dog. If you think you're going to fight you.
You never hear about Samson and Goliath?
I know them time then.
Wait a bother you, tell me. If you just tell me that. Just tell me at least that.
Put some duct tape on
Put duct tape on my matter.
So now this I got
I'm
them.
going to shoot the shot.
Shoot the shot?
Yeah.
A fish thing that dog. Man, shoot the shot.
Go shoot that fair one.
So I'm gonna shoot his shot at okay.
My guy.
Why Bonaf you know?
We're going to shoot a fair one with him. No gloves. No, we have to use gloves. Come on, mash up his face.
Oh.
Mash up who face?
Mash up who face? My youth, a who for face if you say no who face. You can't just leave your who face. Who for face.
You know, me knock him out.
Easily.
Easily.
Me see you beat him up already without gloves.
Alright.
Oh, why me a lie?
You still have the video?
Why me a lie?
You have the video?
No, that's why I'm a chat. You know, say me not have it.
We got no fans. Alright, Team Chabas, Vlog World, on the right in the comment, want to tell me if me are going or Oki. Remember the Oki taller than me, Oki have more body weight than me.
Muscle!
So not like
He calling you fat. He say your belly go lay down. Be a thing you must say. Me and my whisper be a thing.
So, you must say more fun. Me and him go shoot one. Me and him go shoot a fear one. Watch. Watch. What?
Yo, first of all,
And you want more body weight than me.
it wanna go tired and rest.
No, we have a 3 round. We have to just do 3 round. 3 round
When
fear.
now make it 2-1.
3 round fear. Oh.
2-1.
What? No, 1 round at 30. We have to do 1 round 1 minute. So we have a box to 1 minute. Then when 1 minute out, bing bing stop.
Bing bing stop.
Yeah. And then bing bing second round. We have fight 3 round 3 minute. 1 minute round. Good? Alright. Me I show you the car box. Watch out. You didn't know stand up. You don't know no more boxing.
We're supposed to flinch.
Famous know me stay. Me used to box. But we never tell them about the vlog. I know boy knock me out, so me have experience and knock me in out. Come on, me fight people who box real. Okay, now have a chance against me.
First of all, I'm a Jamaican, my fist no work without my foot.
So you do that, wait till for the road. You know, me have play with. No, me never play with him, me have kill him.
Dog, you forget 2 wise, so, yo.
Why?
No tell me how fair it, my vlog. Alright, watch out.
Why? This. I said, let him so, Bubba.
I said tape line off. Yeah, the wushu.
Wushu.
Yeah, from me.
Stop trying to embarrass me, you know. Alright, let's see a little cut out edits. Alright, it's alright.
Don't find your brother. Ugly guy. Put him in a cage.
Yo, a long time I might try with the beard this thing. You know?
No, I try.
Yeah, I saw it.
Because it's comfortable. Comforting.
You know Bullies out though.
Get up.
People will buy some banjo. We're gonna learn how to play this piano.
Look, you recording. Look at his face. Poor baby. Oh, I'm getting angry.
What's your name?
Yes, oh God. You saw him gonna see him, huh?
Why are you trying to ride your famous run?
Because if he now run and jump on me, my members say I'm trouble in the most in the dog. Any escape, he may escape on me, my grab you know.
We were afraid of every animal, you know.
Not blue?
Not blue, we're not afraid of blue.
I want Again, Johnny Monday, you see.
You know the snake?
He can't swim here. Boy, me I don't just tie 2 batteries and just wrap them around him and drop him on there.
Rich ass, scammy ass nigga. Same group of bitches, ain't no ass into the picture. Pop a couple rags once his ass get bigger. Drinking on licking, and I'm looking at your nigga.
Ricky said I'm gonna play it, but when him do it, you know, and nobody see it. He's shy. Alright. Alright. Remember, I'm right here.
Oh, you ready?
When you're ready, take your time. Oh, you still there? Okay, alright, alright. Let's just making sure you're still there.
What you got going on? Yo. I don't know if I do it. This time I know if I do.
If you look at some of the songs on 6stringcountry.com, you'll see.
That's not it. It's not a guitar. What is it? Oh.
So right now we're there. Just reached SMB and pre-wagwan.
I expect that process of the cutter washing, the cement, right on the ends. 47 seconds. Just a 4 minutes. My one was just no, you have to step the 8.
So right now we're there, Chabas. Talk about the idea.
I know exactly what to do. But you just have to stand up with the dog.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put a fake dog just so fit.
Self-made bully in the place.
Self-made bullies. And as you can see, that's the logo and thing. We're about to do a promotional video and thing. We're here with the prize possession. He's such a beautiful dog right now. Oh my god. We should could have there and see him. A one of a kind. You can't find a dog like this nowhere. Watch it. You see him coat pretty? Be a girl him have to, you know.
Hey, big and serious dog, yes, that's a special dog. A dog, one of my best creations. One of my best creations. You feel me? It's a film shirt now, and I lower my tongue.
See him on the shirt?
Now we're Casanova.
Yes.
Real thing. Self-made bullies, the real deal bullies. Get at me, man. SMB deal.
I don't know if you follow him, tell him on Instagram again.
SMB deal. What me say? SMB _ deal.
No fun I got to say Chabas you want one puppy. Link. In the news. And he's crying for me, and when he come over me and start crying, he just start singing it out of nowhere. And you join in. And then I get up and sing the rest of it. That would be funny.
Yeah, these just jump up like I never was there.
Yeah, I was sleeping.
Like
Yo,
nigga, I ain't sleep, nigga. I was just down there taking a nap. They thought I was late. I was down there taking a
You have
nap.
a big sheep, could you?